Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple mod for your G20 BMW. So this is my 2020 M340i. So I'm a fan of this interior on the G20. I actually really like it, but there's one piece that seems to be missing. If you look in this cup holder area here, it's all black. But I noticed on my friend's 2020 M850i, it has a silver trim. It seems like if you buy a higher end BMW, it comes with a silver trim around there. So I looked on eBay and I found that they make one for it. Let me show you. So this is under $12 shipped. And it just dresses up that area and kind of looks like most of the higher spec cars, maybe like an X7 or 8 Series, etc. Just a nice touch, really. Kind of dresses things up. So I figured I'd install it and show you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple. So you're going to want to make sure this area is relatively clean. And it just comes with some adhesive. So once you have the tape exposed, basically you're just going to lay this down into place. Try not to put too much pressure at first so that it self-aligns. It goes to the contour of the cup holder. So in my opinion, that looks very much OEM. Looks really good, you know. Doesn't look out of place anyway, just dresses things up slightly, and it's a simple little mod you guys can do if you have one of these G20 BMWs to make it look more like some of the higher end cars like the 8 Series. Again, I'll throw a quick picture up of what it looks like from the factory. And I think it's a nice little simple mod, and it should have come this way from the factory. Hence the title of this video, why did my BMW come this way? Maybe later on down the line on the LCIs or whatnot, this will be something that's standard on a 3 Series. But for now, if you got a G20 and you want to dress things up, quick simple mod, 5 minutes to install. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these. So not a whole lot of mods on this G20 yet, but they'll eventually come. If this is the first video you're catching of mine, consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. Thanks for watching. Wow.